Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI P Smart 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. By tapping on this we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the general settings, and here we have the location tag option. Also we have short information from the device that this option tag photos and videos with location information. By using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on easily as we need, like that. And here also the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.